Okay, so they want to go forward.
Ma'am.
Miss Piscucci's to leave the property forthwith. She's a threat to your safety, her and your granddaughter.
Okay.
Ma'am, you're to vacate the property forthwith. I find that you present a risk to these two individuals. It is unsafe for you to be at the property. She's to leave forthwith. I'm signing an immediate writ for her eviction.
Yeah, I'm sure you are.
The moment court was in session, it was clear the judge meant business. She didn't hesitate. The tension was already thick in the air, and it felt like things had spiraled long before the cameras even started rolling when she issued that contempt warning. It wasn't just routine, it was a serious message. A clear line had been drawn, and she was ready to take control.
You know what else? I'm going to hold you in contempt if you say one more word. All right, Mr. Chandler's here. Miss Piscucci's here. Can you unmute? This is 2501036. Leon Chandler and Renee Chandler versus Kristen Piscucci. Mr. Chandler, can you tell me your name? You're muted. We'll get you going.
Yeah, this one apparently has.
Ma'am, you have to get off the phone.
You're good.
Like I'm literally, you're in a courtroom. All right.
Guys, I'm on the phone with my grandmother, the homeowner.
Okay. Which one of you is Kristen Piscucci?
Me.
You are. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Mr. Chandler's here. Mr. Chandler, tell me your first and last name. You need to unmute. I'm asking you to unmute. Got it? Good. Yep. Tell me your first and last name.
Leon Chandler.
All right. And Ms. Piscucci, can you tell me your name? I'm sorry if I'm butchering your last name.
It's okay. It's Chris Piscucci.
All right. So we're here today. There was a dismissal that was filed,
Right.
and then there was a motion to set aside the dismissal. So we're here today. Where is Renee Chandler?
She's on the phone. That's actually who the person next to me is talking to.
All right. Well, where's Renee Chandler at, Mr. Chandler?
She's in the house.
No, wait 1 second. Mr. Chandler, where's Renee Chandler?
She's in the other room. You want me to get her?
Yeah, you two both have to come into court. It's both of your motion. So she doesn't need to be on the phone with the other party. She needs to be in the court.
Was pure chaos. Phones buzzing, names being mixed up. Mix left unmuted was less like a courtroom and more like a group call spiraling out of control. The confusion was everywhere, and while everyone else scrambled to catch up, you could practically see the judge's patience slipping away, moment by moment.
Okay. Just a second.
Yeah, now's your chance to speak up.
That phone can be hung up. She's coming in.
Yep. She's coming in right now.
I'm not gonna.
All right, if you can just sit by her, Mr. Chandler, so I can see you both.
Okay.
All right, ma'am, can you tell me your first and last name?
Renee Chandler.
All right, thank you. All right, so we had a motion that was filed. Originally, there was a demand for possession of the house. It was a termination of tenancy, essentially, and then it was set aside. The case was dismissed.
Right.
And we had notice of dismissal that was signed by Renee Chandler. And then we had a motion to set aside the dismissal. So Ms. Chandler, you and Mr. Chandler, do the two of you, can you raise your right hands, both of you? Do you solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right. Do the two of you own a home together?
Yes.
All right. And where is the home that you own? Is that the one on Holland?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you also own a home on
The tone shifts the moment property enters the conversation. What started as a messy family argument quickly transforms into a serious legal showdown. You can sense the judge zeroing in, locking down control as the stakes rise. This isn't just personal anymore. Ownership means leverage, and in this courtroom, that means power.
Okay?
I'm sorry.
Okay, act like it. Miss Chandler, So this suit was originally filed. I'm understanding that this is your granddaughter, is that correct?
Yes.
All right, are you feeling
Oh, no,
pressure?
I'm sorry. Excuse me, Judge.
Yes?
No, it's not my granddaughter. It is
My granddaughter's friend.
my granddaughter's friend.
All right, Ms. Pascucci, so she's not a family member. She's
No.
just someone that's residing at the location with your granddaughter.
Yes.
What's your granddaughter's name?
Logan Renee McNutt.
All right, now, Mrs. and Mr. Chandler, is it your testimony to this court that you want Ms.
Where everything takes a turn. Turns out, the accused Pui isn't even a relative, she's just a friend of the granddaughter. And in a courtroom, that changes everything. That one detail hits hard. Because when it comes to legal rights, being close emotionally doesn't count. Only real family ties do.
Just stay outside. in
My
the-
name is
Yeah.
Judge Shackelford.
Judge
I'm
Jackson.
the judge,
Okay.
okay?
Yes, ma'am. I stay actually outside on their property in a trailer because I'm actually homeless. I'm trying to find somewhere to go. They know that. That's the only reason that I'm actually here. I don't even really go in their house unless it's to shower or to cook. But I actually bought a burner from Family Dollar to be able to cook my food out here. So I don't have to use the bathroom in the house either. I bought a bucket with some trash bags. So I don't even have to go in their house.
I know, but you can't, Miss Vespucci. I'm sympathetic to your
I
your circumstances, but that's their property.
I
And it's
understand.
their home. And if they don't want you there, you
Ma'am,
can't stay there.
Renee does. Leon does not. I have video voice recordings of her saying that.
I don't care. She's in court. She's under oath. She's advised me that she wants you to vacate the
I'm
property.
under oath, ma'am.
Okay, you have to vacate the property. You have 10 days to vacate.
More than that, I don't have a job right now. I need.
All right, ma'am, this is the law.
I
And
understand.
I don't, okay, well, I want you to understand, that's the law. You have 10 days. I can tell why they want you out, because you think you can
On
talk
top of
over
it, I'm
people
pregnant. This causes
and yell.
stress.
You have 10 days to vacate the property. Mr. and Mrs. Chandler, you are to call.
That's not-
Part really lands with weight. She's homeless, living out of a trailer parked on their land, cooking on a single burner, using a bucket just to get by. It's more than tough times, it's pure survival. But in the eyes of the court, hardship doesn't cancel out legal rights. The judge doesn't sugarcoat it. Sympathy can't replace ownership.
Right.
You are to call police if she tries to vacate, or if she tries to enter your premises, if she tries to come in your home, and if she does not leave in 10 days, you come up to the court and there is a form that you get for a writ of eviction, and our court officers will come and remove her and all of her belongings from the property.
Okay,
But
Judge.
Mr. and Mrs. Chandler, if she comes near you, or her granddaughter attempts to convince you otherwise, the two of you are to call the police forthwith. You're to call the police. They're not to harass you. You have no obligation to keep anyone on your property that you're not comfortable or safe with. She's to remove all of
And
her
it's just
property and
him. He
leave.
steals from her and everything else.
She's to leave your property, and you're to contact law enforcement if she comes. Do you understand me, Mr. and Mrs. Chandler?
Yes.
Okay, I'm signing it. You have 10 days. You can get your writ for eviction in 10 days.
This is so not fair. Or
You know
right.
what, Miss Vespucci, do you pay rent even? You want to just stay on someone's property for free, and you think that's not fair?
It's
That they want you
Not
out?
even it. That's not even it, ma'am.
All right, I think she might be
This is the moment. The judge lays it down firm and personal. Pui's resistance doesn't sit right, and the judge reads it as a warning sign. This isn't just about removing someone from a property, it's about protecting the Chandlers from something that could spiral. You can feel it. The judge isn't only ruling, she's stepping in before things get out of hand.
to your safety, Mr. and Mrs. Chandler. She clearly cannot control herself. The allegations, Mr. Chandler,
You won't
Mrs.
even let
Chandler,
me speak. That's
who's that? Who is that behind you? Mr. and Mrs. Chandler, who is that at the door behind you?
That's
Your
my,
granddaughter?
no.
Yeah.
My granddaughter came in the bedroom just now. And she's
All right, and
arguing
if she,
with my,
Miss Piscucci's to leave the property forthwith. She's a threat to your safety, her and your granddaughter.
okay,
Ma'am, you're to vacate the property forthwith. I find that you present a risk to these two individuals. It is unsafe
I'm not
for
even
you
in
to
your
be at the
house.
property. She's to leave forthwith. I'm signing an immediate writ for her eviction.
Yeah, I'm sure you are.
I am. And you know what else? I'm going to hold you in contempt if you say one more word. Mr. and Mrs. Chandler, do you need to have your granddaughter vacated?
no, we can handle my granddaughter.
Okay. She's to leave the property immediately. I'll sign a writ now.
Okay,
Okay? If
All right.
if she comes in your home, if she makes any threats towards you, if she does not leave forthwith, you're to call the police.
okay.
Are we clear?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, she's to vacate forthwith. I'll have the clerk bring up paperwork. Mr. and Mrs. Chandler, you can come up to the court and get your writ today. I need to fill that out. Okay, come on up to the court.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you.
Cuts through the room like a warning siren. It sounds less like anger and more like a full-on emotional collapse, but the judge doesn't even blink. She's been here before. She knows exactly what's coming, and what's chilling isn't the outburst. It's how calmly she hands down the final ruling while everything around her feels like it's cracking down.
Okay. Is that her screaming in the background?
Yeah, it's okay. That's my granddaughter.
Okay. It's just your granddaughter screaming. It's not
Right.
the other individual?
No, the other individual is not in the house.
All right. What do you do if she comes in the house?
We ask her to leave or call the police.
And yes, sir. All right, you're all set. Have a good day.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Yeah. All right. Mr. and Mrs. Chandler, are there any further issues? Has she shown up at your house? I can't hear you. You're muted.
Just my granddaughter, and she's gone.
Okay. So you're
Okay.
all set?
Yeah, we're all set.
If you feel unsafe, you know what you're supposed to do, but you can disconnect your, yep, tell them to leave, call the police, but you're all set for the day. You're free to leave, court.
Okay, thank you.
How do we,
How do we disconnect to? Or will you?
I'll disconnect you. Don't worry. I just was letting you hang out to see if they showed up, but I'll
Yeah.
remove you now. And if you need the police,
Might be the end of the hearing, but it's not a peaceful one. It's the kind of silence that settles in only after the storm has passed, tense, heavy, and unfinished. Like everyone knows this chapter closed, but the story isn't over yet.